Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to God Given. Thank you for stopping by. Today I'm going to be whipping up these very delicious chicken wings, oven fried chicken wings with no flour. And I'm also going to be making one of my favorite side dishes, which is corn with red bell pepper, which is extremely delicious if you've never tried it. And so Sunday is my eat what I want day, and so that's what I want to eat today is chicken wings, corn, and mashed potatoes on the side. And so these are the ingredients that we're starting with right here. Of course, olive oil. The spices that we're going to use is 1 teaspoon each of black pepper, garlic salt, onion powder, paprika, and optional, which I'm going to be adding just to add a little zing if you want, is cayenne pepper. I'm just going to add very little bit of that, probably not even half a teaspoon. Okay, so beloved, here are the chicken wings. And so the next step is to brush the chicken wings with some olive oil because we're going to be frying it in the oven. We want to brush it with some olive oil on both sides. Lavish amount of olive oil on both sides. And so olive oil is a part of the Mediterranean diet, which is going to make this healthy, along with the spices that we're using. So now that we've got the wings all oiled with the olive oil, remember you can use any type of oil, but I'm using olive oil. Now we're going to sprinkle it with the seasonings, and here they are in the bowl already mixed. And so we're going to sprinkle both sides of the chicken wings. I don't like cutting mine in half. You can cut them into portions, but I'm kind of lazy. I like my food being, long as it's delicious. And I like eating every piece of the chicken wing, and so I'm putting all of it in there. So now we're just going to flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. So here are our chicken wings in the pan, all seasoned with olive oil and the seasonings. And so I have a little rack in there so it won't get greasy. You don't have to use a rack. And I just put a foil under it to catch the grease so it'll be easier to clean up. Okay, so we're going to put this in the oven at 425. So it's going to take about 60 minutes, about 30 minutes on each side to cook. So about 60 minutes total, 45 to 60 minutes. We're going to check it. Okay. So here are the wings. They were in the oven for about 30 minutes. Now we got to turn them over and cook on the other side. So beloved, here are our wings. They are done. We have to let them sit for about 5 to 10 minutes to let the juices settle in, and then we're going to plate them. So here are the wings plated. So here's my plate, what I'm going to be eating for dinner tonight. Red bell peppers and corn, sour cream and chives, mashed potatoes, and my oven fried chicken wings. So let's give it a taste test. Gotta see how it came out. These came out very good. Our chicken is so tender, it's almost falling off the bone. So make you some. These are all in separate videos. The corn and the chicken wings are in separate videos. So make you some. Let me know how it turns out. Okay, thanks for visiting me here on God Given. Chat with you later. Bye-bye.